Hello students, welcome again in our online classes. In our last lecture, I told you how the verb form is applied in the blank. So keeping the same chapter continue, I am going to tell you some more rules regarding the same chapter. Today we shall read about how future form of the verb is applied. See on the board, you will find that there are some specific word written like tomorrow, the next plus time, by plus time, in future, and time to come. Time to come means the time which is about to come. For example, if night is about to come. Okay, so whatever the time, like 2021 is about to come, so all the time that is about to come, these all words indicate future indefinite tense, and we have to apply future form like shall, verb first form along with I and we only, and will along with first form of the verb and the subject related he, she, it, name, you, they, both singular and plural category. Means shall is applied only I and we, and will is applied with the rest of the subjects along with first form of the verb. Now see the exercise. First, I blank go there tomorrow. I requires shall. That's why you will have to apply shall and first form of the verb go. I shall go there. In the second sentence, you require will along with first form, so you will have to write you will not attend class next week. In the next sentence, he requires will, first form of the verb, so you will again have to apply will here and first form of the verb here. And in the last one, along with you, again apply will and go here. Okay, and doing the same thing continue. I am going to tell you the next rule. See at the whiteboard, you will find some more specific word like at this time, at this moment. These two words, if they are written in a particular sentence along with tomorrow and the time that is about to come, the next along with time, whatever there may be, like the next day, the next week, but the specific word like at this time, at this moment, if they are written along with that tomorrow and the time about to come, you will have to apply future continuous verb form. And in future continuous tense, shall be is applied along with I and we, and will be is applied along with he, she, it, name, you, they, both singular and plural categories. Clear? Now see the exercise. You. Now you belong in singular and plural category, means in the category of he, she, it, name, you, they. You will have to apply will be. So you will be watch. Along with watch you will have to apply verb plus ing. What will you have to apply here? Verb plus ing. So apply ing with watch, means you will be watching movie at this time tomorrow. Clear? Now the second one, I. Now apply I. You will have to apply shall be along with I. Now I and there is not also, so apply not like this. I shall not be taking bath at this moment, the next day. In the third, there is subject he, so you will have to apply will be, so apply will here and be here along with the ing form of the verb, like enjoy, You will have to apply ing along with it. Like this, will he be enjoying? Clear? And in the fourth one, what? Now there is children. Children belongs in the category of plural. So again you will have to apply will be. So apply will here and be along with doing here at this moment. The next week. Clear? Now I am going to give you some exercise. Now I am going to give you some exercise. You will have to write the exercise in your notebook. You will have to fill the blank according to the rule I have mentioned in our previous lesson. Means you will have to apply all the rules that I have told you in this chapter, and you will have to fill the blank, click the pictures, and will have to send it to me on my WhatsApp number or school WhatsApp number. Now the exercise is like this. She blank eat mango now. Find out the specific word and apply that particular tense. In the second, you blank finish work recently. Third, where blank they blank play cricket daily. Fourth, what blank you blank ask teacher tomorrow. Fifth, I blank wait for you then. She blank not go there yesterday. Children. Seventh one is children blank returned home after the rain had started. And the eighth one, mother blank call you at this time. Okay, thank you.